Theories of how we see color. Trichromatic theory. This theory was developed by Thomas Young and Hermann von Helmholtz, and thus it is also called the Young-Helmholtz theory. In trichromatic theory, they propose that the retina is comprised of three distinct types of cones, or color-sensitive photoreceptors. Each of these types reacts to light that has three distinct wavelengths: blue, red, or green. When the activation of these cones occurs, they may be standalone or in combination and in different intensities, causing us to perceive that colors of the object. A process called additive color mixing occurs when different colors are mixed, producing addition of wavelengths and thus more light. The opposite of this is subtractive color mixing, in which wavelengths are diminished, causing lesser light. Here are the three different base colors of trichromatic theory. Opponent process theory. This color theory was proposed by Ewald Hering. The opponent process theory states that there are color receptors present in the visual system that respond to the three pairs of colors in opposite manner, thus the name of the theory. These three color pairs include black, white, blue, yellow, and red, green. The theory suggests that the blue light's wavelengths activate color receptors corresponding to blue. However, these color receptors corresponding to blue light are turned off by yellow light's wavelengths. This concept also applies vice versa, as well as other color pairs. The opponent process theory is useful in explaining why people also perceive yellow as a primary color rather than a combination of colors, along with the primary colors red, blue, or green explained by trichromatic theory. Color blindness. Color blindness is the inability to distinguish the differences between certain colors. This condition results from an absence of color-sensitive pigment in the cone cells of the retina, the nerve layer at the back of the eye. Most color vision problems are inherited and are present at birth. Approximately 1 out of 12 males and 1 out of 20 women are colorblind. A person with color blindness has trouble seeing red, green, blue, or a mixture of these colors. The most common type is red-green color blindness, where red and green are seen as the same color. Here are some tests to see if you have color blindness or not. First, look at the one on the top left corner. Take a second to look at it. You should see an A right in the middle. Now, top right corner, take a second to look at it. Notice you should see a green 15 right in the center. Now for the bottom left corner, take a second to look at it. You should see a green smiley face throughout the picture. Now for the bottom right corner, take a second to look at it. You should see a yellow square and a brown circle in the picture.